I'm Tara. I'm a fifth year in biomedical and mechanical engineering. I'm from Boulder, Colorado, and I've been doing research in the chemistry department at CSU under my PI Garrett Miyake since I was a sophomore in college. So I've gotten 4 years of experience in a lab, which has been really awesome. I've gotten to work on projects from building a novel 3D printer to biomimicking the mantis shrimp saddle to see how it stores energy. And I've been lucky enough to be published in scientific journals, as well as have gotten to go to national conferences and present my work in front of other academics. So I highly recommend joining a research lab and doing research. I think it's been one of the most beneficial experiences that I've had at CSU, and I think it really helps you develop as an engineer.
So this is the first project that I worked on in my research lab. It involved designing and building a 3D printer that was capable of printing thermoplastic powders. This work was actually published in the Journal of Additive Manufacturing, and I was lucky enough to be able to present this work at the National Chemistry Convention in Orlando, Florida. Overall, this project was a really good way for me to dip my toes into what it feels like to actually design things as an engineer. My most recent project involved biomimicking the mantis shrimp saddle. So basically, I mathematically modeled the saddle and then 3D printed it and tested it on a mechanical testing device in order to see how the geometry of the saddle affects the energy storage of the saddle. So this was a really cool way to get into additive manufacturing and design. Finally, here's my research lab. They've been some of the greatest people that I've met while in college. We've done a lot of fun things outside of our research lab as well. So overall, I just highly recommend joining a research lab and dipping your toes into what it feels like to be a real engineer. And finally, go Rams!